What's up guys, Cade here, and I'm doing a really quick video on my Nishi V2. I got this one in silver, finally came in after about a month of waiting, and I did a little bit of painting to it. It is black accents, and I think it looks really good. I added a gold thumb screw to it, because I think that accents it really well. It is an Adegan Silver, and I have color discs to play with, so let's see how they look. Now, this is what it looks like with the regular white LED. This is in a low light setting. I do have a light on though, it is LEDs. LED strips, so also normally messy hair. It looks pretty cool, really bright. Now let's try color discs. Yellow. Let's do yellow first. Just keep the button on, why not? Shake this around there. Alright. It gives us a really pastel yellow, but it's honestly really pretty, and I think comparable to the Sentinel yellow, because I think yellow by nature should be kind of a pastel color. I don't know though. Orange, I think it should be the saturated one, and here's orange. I'm going to go through the rainbow to do one basic color of the rainbow each. There's orange. Now trying to do red is hard. The most red you can get I think is purple and orange, because the one that's red is really pinkish. This is as red as it gets. It's not really red though. So I just did red, so let's do purple. I actually have two deep purple discs for some reason, so here's one. Here's a single purple disc, and it's kind of a lavender shade. It's very pretty. Compared to Violet Amethyst, or sorry, Bane's Heart, which is not purple, it's a pink. It's really pastel, and of course more blue. And now it looks white when you compare it, honestly. Like, when I look at that and I look at this, I'm like, yeah, this is like white. It's almost sad. But then you put another one in, looks a bit better, less brightness though. So yeah, go ahead and shut that off. Oh, wrong button. Or right button, just wrong amount of presses. So I just did purple. Let's do blue. Now blue, you can do it with one dark blue, and it's an Arctic blue. Like, it's really whitish though. I like doing it with both the blues, even though the light blue does almost nothing. There's just a little bit more saturation in it, and it looks really pretty. Now trying to achieve a guardian blue, I think, is a dark purple and a dark blue. You can totally do that. It is more of an indigo though, and it's not very bright either. It's very dark. So we just did blue. Now let's do green. We have the lime green, which I think is really cool looking, but it's kind of whitish. It's very pastel. And we can do the lime green and the dark green, which is my favorite. The dark green is my favorite. So it gives me kind of a consular green. It is pastel though, of course. And I'll do you a little twirl test. So yeah, that's that. And just for fun, let's see what happens if you put all the color discs inside it. You guys ready? I'm Maniac. Okay. You get this beautiful brown color, I guess. My favorite color combination is actually dark green and dark blue, and it gives me a teal. That's what I prefer to use. It's very complementary. It's also actually quite saturated. I use it as a complementary saber to my Bane's Heart saber. As you can see, they look really well together, and I think they're very pretty. Now, the cool thing about having a silver saber is you can make it light or dark side, and so I make it my light side saber, and so this Dark Apprentice V4 is kind of like the alter, I don't know what the word is. It's the foil of this. They're like foils. This is much lighter than this for some reason though. Like, this actually feels like it's more of a counterweight there, and it's balanced right around the thumb screws. Here, if you just, yeah, it's balanced right around there. This is balanced. I don't even know if it's balanced, to be honest. It's not. It's not very balanced anywhere. I mean, there's a balance point somewhere, but it's not easy to get to. But yeah, it's a very short video on my Initiative V2. It's very low quality and very quick, but I like the saber a lot actually, and I'm quite proud of it. I think it's very pretty with its accenting. And yeah, see you later.